Hi all, Mads Barnkop from Kaizer Power Electronics here. As you might have noticed, there has been an abundance of electronics videos, and that is due to working pretty much all my spare time on the basement project. And as you can see, it is quite different from the last time I uploaded a video. And this will just be a quick glimpse of the progress that we have been making. So this is a 12-ton container. It can contain 14 cubic meters. And just for size reference, over there is a 200 amp IGBT module sitting on top of some dirt. 5 tons of pebbles have to go back in where we removed the dirt. State of the basement itself. There is no floors anymore. Then we have the actual lab in here. Right now we are down at the lowest level. And this is where we add pebbles for drainage. And over here we have the old floor buildup, which is absolutely insane. It's made in the 80s, consists of a concrete slab, then we have some sand, copper pipe for floor heating, and then we have tiles. Absolutely no insulation whatsoever. So right now it has taken quite a lot of days to dig out this part, which is about 1/4, 1/3 of the entire room. So yeah, that's a lot of work to do still. And here we are today. A few days later, a lot of help from friends. It all got dug out, and now we're carrying down all the pebbles to cover up the drainage pipe and make the drainage layer. We got concrete here and all the excess here that could not fit into the bags container. And this container now contains the old basement. 7 tons of concrete. Generally, from digging it out and making all the new concrete pouring ourselves, we did the installation ourselves. We had to have a company do all sewers, all water and plumbing installations, electrical installations, but all the concrete work we have done ourselves. So when the floor was poured, we could start working on getting the walls nice again. So this is now insulated with some 100mm, what's called that, light concrete, or some chalk product which can breathe and simultaneously isolates the outer walls of the basement. So the climate in here is very dry and it's very warm, that the floor heating really pays off now. And as you can see, ceiling is coming along. It's just needs these final panels. And this over here will be the work desk area again. So I will get some nicer space for doing videos, as there is more room that way. But I just wanted to give you a quick update that I am still here. It's just not electronics video at the moment, but it's getting very close. So until next time, see ya.